Services power over 55% of India's GDP, projected to reach 70% by 2047. Service exports now command 44% of total exports. Technology plus formalization equals India's service supercycle. Every sector connected, every opportunity is scalable. Quality businesses with competitive advantages, capital efficiency meeting scalable opportunities. At Axis Mutual Fund, we don't just witness India's transformation, we aim to architect wealth creation through active management and quality focus. Introducing the Axis Services Opportunities Fund, a flexible market cap approach capturing multi-year growth potential across all service sectors. Better placed valuations, rising profitability, higher earnings growth. The time is now because the future belongs to those who power it. NFO opens July 4th to 18th, 2025. Minimum investment, 100 rupee.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.